In this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate any other DNS records into the system. I've shown you how to do this a couple times already, but we're just going to go over it one more time just for security's sakes. So we're going to navigate back here to setup on the bottom left-hand side. We're going to click on domains, and we're going to click into that domain that we have set up already. Now, again, like I said, you're going to want to compare your screenshot that you took of all your existing DNS records and go through one by one and make sure that all of them have been correctly imported. If you come across any that have not been, what you're going to do is click Add DNS Record. You're going to select the correct type. Let's say it's a TXT record. You'll put in the correct information over here and you'll hit Save, and that DNS record will be imported into the system. So again, go through that systematically, one by one, make sure all of the DNS records have been correctly imported, and manually import any that have not been imported already. Again, if at any point you get stuck with this, please do contact our support team. They'll be happy to help you out. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to link a website to your domain. I'll see you there.